to this video. Ay, sobrang masa. So, hi guys. Into this video is Let's unboxing parcel.
Breda yun.
From one of my supporters in YouTube. Ay, salam. And let's open because we don't know what is this. Because he said that this is a surprise. So let's
Ko, mahulog ko.
with my husband. Ay, bag lagi. Tignan na may kuan sa
Bag.
Eskwela.
wala,
Astig ay. Pang lalaki.
ang ngayon, na kay wow, this is, I think this is for my husband. Let's try.
Oh, kay pang lalaki.
Maybe there's money inside.
Eh.
Sila put money.
Usa ka na brihiti. Usa na hindi. Kada banduha bang kaputos.
Oh, that's good. Very good. Say thank you.
Thank you.
Kana ti, charger na.
Charger. Murag cord.
Charger lagi.
Sahon.
Kay wire ang kaptan.
One glowing light phone charger.
Di ba? Na charger.
Hala, musiga nga charger. Hay, cord lang. Tanawa, damo. Hala. Oh, na type C.
Type C niya, na pwede
Oh,
na.
I already have a charger, guys, because my charger is broke. The rat is eating my charger.
Taas ay.
Musiga?
La ngayon, taas lagi.
Oh, na tulo. Pwede,
Sa na, tulo ka buhok.
pwede ka tong agagmay nga charger. Oh, palay.
Taas
Where are you
tigay.
going?
Manila.
Trabaho di ba, te?
Manila.
Ang trabaho nga, tinang. Charger for my phone.
Kana daw.
No, we did not put the thing, that one. Wow, what is this? No. Milo.
Kuan ka nan. Lolo ka na kita na kon. Lolo lagi.
Oh, the kuan. The head for the cord. So,
Oh, nanay, lolo.
it is...
Lelay og kuan.
Uy, damo!
Laro.
Ano mo, oy? Dara.
Di ba?
Let's go and let's try if it's working. Thank you. Ang bag gid na ka ngayon. Parcel again. Let's open what is this. Hi. Nabawa na ko. Wait, wala pang kutsilyo. My husband take a video. Taking a video.
Iwi.
Pakon na ka. Cutix. Cutix, hala.
Namate usa na pa mo.
Ginal ka.
Super gatos.
Oh, 100 plus. We will try.
Di mag-cutic.
Green is my favorite color. So we'll try it in my nails. Wow.
Okay, that's all.
Look amazing. That's all kakaroon. How very, look at how the charger is very nice. There's a light. Very nice. Parcel again, guys. So let's open.
Lipstick. Lipstick lagi. Ano nag-lipstick natin?
Aloe vera lipstick. Ang paano pa? Lip balm. Next. Kanya ka ba? Assorted toys for boys. Boys, this is for girl. Ah. This is for Ace.
Hindi na mababay na.
Ah. Display mo.
Uy, matanggal. Wow, kunati, wow. Wow, Shan.
Pilit.
Diyan, sa ikaw na
Ada jauh tanggal.
Ibing man.
Still again.
Marami Shan din na sa gilid.
Wala ngayon. Ah, budget. Wala.
Na kay Veggie, pero kay Pum.
Di, pwede may habol. Wow.
Kami din na may Veggie.
Wow.
Oh, Pum.
Wala, ano na, nice.
Ala, dako aoy.
Disipir gitu ya. Itu udah. Kan dia po.
Oh, Pak, singawasa
Di
kay.
ba ako ba?
Pila ka buok te?
Ang kuan raman ta kanang nice.
Hawal na to.
Udah sipir. Hindi mahal.
Pila man?
Dapat another one.
Ang dapat na.
Oh, balik na. So, sipir.
Asa?
Sa Manila. Ang go to Manila.
Bukod eh.
I want to take this one. This. I want to make
Sana ba? Gidano yung Shan.
Kasi habol.
Los.
Ano natin? Ano na po? Budget. Budget.
Oh, dilid. Dako man na.
Yes. Thank you so much. Very nice. So guys, we have another parcel again. And this time is, I will count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 parcel. So let's start open. First is this one. This is the bigger one. Saba mo. This one, the bigger one. I think it is a pillow.
What is it? Aha!
What is this? Ah, it, oh.
Awesome!
Yeah, wait first.
Yes!
Ayun siya.
And alayaw!
No, is. No, wait. We need to be careful.
Wow. Ito na?
What is this? Heavenly so. Ah, pillow. Oh, it's a pillow. I'm correct. I think correct.
Oh, Jim, how
It's
is
a
it?
pillow.
Masarap ito. Wow. Why, ma? Why?
It's a pillow, guys.
Why, ma? Why? Why, ma?
Then we need to open.
What, ma? Why?
I think we need to open the plastic.
How is Jim? How is? Ang buto. Ang buto. Buto ka dila dyan dun tinatay.
Ah, oh, it's a pillow, guys.
This is the open low.
Wow. Oh.
Ulan!
Pindot tayo, mana ayun, pindot ta.
Ha?
Pindot tayo
Basta.
screen. Kana, itong.
Ne? Ulan ya!
Pwede pa, yes.
Ulan! Ulan to, ulan! Benay ulan! Piu! 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 Napo ulan ah! Ulan!
Oh, ingat to sunod. Oh.
Ya! Ya! Ulan!
Humot. Oo. Oh, ingat to sunod is. Ato im. Next. Next, this one. What is this?
I don't know!
Ah.
Yan na! Na! It's opening!
Let's open.
It's open! Open! What's the sign? Anak na na!
Oh, I think it's a pillow cover. Wait.
Yeah. Yeah. Mochila.
Oh, a pillow cover.
Umut.
Punda. Ay, mo ba?
Mochila.
A pillow cover.
It's the bigger wedding. It's the bigger.
How is?
Bigger.
4 pieces of pillow cover, guys.
Yeah.
Thank you. Oh, it's so good. Next. Ini heavy.
Heavy na.
This one.
It's just the heavy.
I think it's other one.
Ay, manain nyo kung munting
Ano mo ba na ba rin?
Kahit man box. Box man na box. Box man na.
Sorry for my noisy kids.
Mom, box man. Zumbi.
Oh. What's this?
Uy. Diba? Uy.
Hawak mo di, hawak mo. Oh.
Uy. Lalaya.
Oh, we need to, anda pindutan na po im. We need to install first. We need to install, so I will put it here. This is a makeup organizer.
Lalaya.
Ayaw labot, ayaw. Ayaw
Lalaya.
labot.
Uy.
Wait na.
Uy. Yay!
What is this?
Yay! Yay! Puti! Ako pink! Ito small! Uy!
Wow, I think it's a lipstick. Lipstick! Yay!
This, yeah. Yeah.
Wow, 5 pieces of lipstick. Wow,
Diba,
look good.
this. Yeah, oy!
Oh, you have a lot of lipstick.
This, damo, yeah!
Ay, sapa.
Bayot na.
This lipstick. So next, this one.
Yeah! Yeah!
Ayan,
Yeah! 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 Chan-chan, yeah!
Next.
Ano?
Wow. Perfume. Perfume. We will smell it.
Meow.
Orange one.
Okay, next this.
Sama is. Ayan ako ba nakapasa? So next. This one, it's a heavy one. Ako mo diha. Oh. A shampoo. Wow. Wow. Wow, guys. Wow. A big shampoo. Wow, it's very on. Keratin Smooth Conditioner. Bango.
Uy, bango!
Keratin Smooth Shampoo. Wow. You know, guys, it is very useful for my hair. It is very useful for my hair. Thank you. Smell good. And this one, what is this? Kaya mo magkalak. This is for our this is for our floor. Look, it's this. Oh, it's a broom for our floor. How about this bigger one? What is this? I'm so excited for this bigger one.
Black. Black siya, no?
What's this? This is Oreos. Wait,
Hindot man.
I know already. This is for the mosquito net.
Ako na black ya. Ako na black. Ako, sige dito, sabot.
You need to be careful. I know already.
Oy, oy. Ako na black.
Puyo mo, puyo.
No, no, no.
Dahil mo guys, oh. We will install it first, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you for my generous big brothers. Thank you for my generous sponsor, my big brother. Thank you for everything. Thank you for all the items. Thank you so much.
Deliver.
Install again. Hey, love, you can help me. Help me because you need to install it. Sabidri. Sira. Hawa excuse me. Excuse, saya. Excuse. Uy, berdoa nih. What is the step 1? Connect co-panels together with connectors and add for more interconnectors. A total of 6 connectors is needed to replace the Hoy! Sige na si M. Ay, siya. Dili ka sa panin, panin. Dapat. Sige mo dapat. How about this? Awasan. Ayo pag ito type. Lagi na. Ano to? Amel. Amo yung gamit. Insert the side and back panel from the top as they are also in the image. Dili ang katubay dili. Dili. Ano yung dili? What's up? Dili dapat ang video na nakita. Dili ang video. Isa lagi. Sige, pupuko na na. Dili na kausal. Hindi na siya, design na lang. Yung nalibang tayo ka. Balik, likod. Papala siya. Bit. Mas likod niya kaysa ako. Hindi ah. Ano naman yun? Hindi ko ganyan naman. Hindi ko alam, tanggal na yun. Hindi ko lagi. Stick rate ka na kumahawak. Stick 4. Stick 1 na ito. Ito.
Wala siya. Ata ulit ba? Ito ba guys?
Ay, ano yung ibaw?
Dili na, ito dili. Ano
Ay, galing na, galing.
Masakar rin man.
Ibaw nila. Ah, balik.
Dili yung bubok.
Masyad. Oo.
Nako.
Sana ako ganyan. No? Wow, nice one. Nice is? Nice one. I love it.